fold around the filling. If you don't have a meat mallet, you can use a rolling pin or even the bottom of a heavy skillet. Now that our chicken breasts are ready, let's move on to the good stuff. The cheesy, garlicky filling. This filling will add a burst of flavor and moisture to the chicken, making it incredibly delicious. Stay tuned as we dive into the ingredients and steps to create this mouth-watering filling. For our filling, we'll need some shredded cheese, minced garlic, chopped fresh herbs like parsley or basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add some chopped spinach or sun-dried tomatoes for an extra layer of flavor. In a mixing bowl, combine all the filling ingredients. Make sure everything is well mixed so that each bite of chicken gets a bit of that cheesy, garlicky goodness. The filling should be thick enough to stay inside the chicken, but not too dry. Spoon the filling into the butterfly chicken breast, spreading it evenly. Be generous, but make sure you can still fold the chicken over to enclose the filling. Once filled, you can secure the chicken with toothpicks to keep everything in place while it cooks. Now that our chicken breasts are filled and secured, they're ready to hit the grill. Place them on the preheated grill and cook for about 6-7 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is fully cooked and the filling is hot and bubbly. Keep an eye on the chicken as it cooks and use a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure that the chicken is safe to eat and perfectly cooked. Once cooked,